Hello everyone, welcome back to my Skillshop project series. Today, I will show how I implemented the advanced product search system with pagination for my Skillshop platform. And this is my task 20. So this feature helps users quickly find the skills or courses they want by applying different search filters. Instead of manually browsing through all products, users can now search using keywords, filter by category, filter by difficulty level, filter by rating, and also filter by price range. Additionally, pagination is implemented to display results in multiple pages instead of loading all products at once. So this improves both performance and user experience. So let's start. Okay. This is my advanced search page, and here user can filter their needs. Here user can select their category type and difficulty type and also rating type, and at last they can filter their price they need. So I will show how it works now. Okay, I select my category as programming and I set it beginner level and any rate, new or not rated, and price range is 20,000 to 80,000. Okay, we see. Okay, there are two results of programming. So if I choose intermediate and I filter it, okay, now you can see the results of programming category with this option, intermediate option. So by using this filter method, user can easily filter their needs. Okay, then I will press this reset button. Then we comes to our advanced search page again, and it shows 51 skills here. Okay, by using this search bar also, user can search anything they need. Okay, then I search design and okay, showing 6 skills for design. Okay, you can see now. Okay, now I will search another one, UI UX. Okay, and now you can see there is no skills for my keyword UI UX. So here I create this button to clear these filters and go to our advanced page. Okay, let's press this. Okay, now we come to our advanced search page. Okay, at the last of the page I add pagination option for users to read and navigate easily. Okay, here, and this is my last page. Okay, at the bottom, and also I add the marketing section. Okay, this is what I created according to my task 20. So let's move to see my backend logic. So to implement this advanced product searching system with pagination, I mainly use two components. Advanced search products.php to handle the user interface and receive search inputs, and product searcher.php to handle the backend logic and database queries. Okay, at the beginning of the file, I start the session and connect the database. Then the session is necessary because the platform supports user accounts and authentication, and the database connection allows the system to retrieve products and categories from the database. Then next, the system checks whether the user logged in. So if the user is not logged in, the system verifies the Remember Me authentication token, and this ensures that only authorized users can access the system. After that, the system loads the product searcher class, and this class contains all the search required to apply filters, build SQL queries, retrieve products, and also handle pagination. And separating this logic into class improves code organization and maintainability. Okay, then next the system collects all filter values from the URL using get parameters. So these filters allow users to search products using different criteria such as keywords, category, difficulty level, ratings, and price range. Then here, pagination is used to control how many products appear on each page. So this means each page displays 12 products and the page number is obtained from the URL. And pagination improves page loading speed, database efficiency, and navigation for users. Okay, then next, the system retrieves all available categories. So these categories are displayed in a drop-down filter, so allowing users to select a specific category. So before displaying the products, the system calculates how many products match the filters. So this is important because it determines the total number of pages and how pagination buttons will be displayed. And then the filtered products are then retrieved using the search function. And this function applies all filters, sorting, and pagination limits. So then it returns the products that should appear on the current page. Okay. And here inside search box, I use this line to help preserve the user's search query during filtering and pagination. So the keyword remains visible while browsing results. Okay. Then here, okay, this code dynamically generates the category filter options for the advanced product searching system. The for each loop goes through all categories retrieved from the database and creates an option for each one, allowing users to filter products by category. Okay, then here this condition ensures that the previously selected category remains selected after the page reloads, which is important for the maintaining the user's filter sections. Okay, then in our level section here, okay, sorry, this is our level section. Okay, here this section implements the difficulty level filter in the advanced product searching system. An array called $sign levels store the availability difficulty levels such as beginner, intermediate, and advanced. And the for each loop dynamically generates the radio buttons for each level. So users can choose the level of the skill they want. Okay, so here this condition keeps the previously selected level active after the page reloads, while the any level option allows users to search without applying a level filter. Okay. Then here, our rating section, This section implements the minimum grade thin filter in the advanced product searching system, allowing users to search for products based on customer ratings such as 4 plus stars or higher. Okay, so here by using these conditions, okay, as example I use this one. Okay, this condition keeps the selected rating option active after the page reloads, which helps maintain the selected filter. Okay, so in our price range section, this section implements the price range filter in the advanced product searching system, and it allows users to filter products by selecting a minimum and maximum price, so they can find courses that match their budget. And the price filter includes both range sliders and numeric input fields, and JavaScript is used to synchronize them. And the values are preserved using this one and this one. Which ensures the selected price range remains active after the page reloads. And here, the Any Filters button submits all selected filter values to the server for processing, while the Reset button clears the filters but keeps the original search keyword. Okay. Then in our result bar section, here this section represents the result bar in the advanced product searching system. So it displays important information about the current search results and improves user interaction. First, it includes filter buttons and for mobile devices. When clicked, it toggles the filter sidebar, allowing users to access filtering options on smaller screens. So this ensures the advanced system is fully responsive and user-friendly. And then here, second, it displays the total number of matching products using this. So if a search keyword is used, it also shows the keyword so users can clearly see what they searched for. If no results are found, it displays a message informing the user. Okay. Then in our product grid section, this section represents the product grid display. So after the filters are applied, the pagination is processed, the matching products are displayed in a responsive grid layout. The for each loop goes through the $sign products array, which contains the filtered and paginated results returned from the backend. For each product, the system displayed important details such as the image, title, seller name, difficulty level, rating, number of reviews, number of customers, and price. Then this design ensures that only the relevant products based on the selected filters are shown to the user. So it also provides a smooth and organized browsing experience. Okay, so in pagination section, this section implements the pagination system in my site, in my advanced product search result site. So pagination is used to divide large number of search results into multiple pages instead of displaying all products on one page. So this improves performance, loading speed, and user experience. In this project, I used different methods to implement pagination in different pages. I did this to learn and understand how pagination can be developed in various ways. But in real application, we normally use only one pagination method for the whole system to keep everything consistent and easy to manage. So first the system text. And then here this means pagination will only appear if there is more than one page of results. And before generating the page links, the system builds this one, filter query, $sign filter query string, and it appends all selected filters such as keyword, category level, price, price mean, price max, rating, and also sorting into the URL using URL encode function. So this ensures that when the user clicks on a page number and all their selected files remain active and the search result do not reset. So this keeps the advanced search process consistent for it while navigating between pages. And here this allows users to go back to the previous page while keeping all filters applied. And the system uses a loop and it displays the first page, the last page, the current page, and one page before and after the current page. Okay. So this keeps pagination clean and avoids showing too many page numbers. If there are many pages, it displays this. And this makes the interface simple and user-friendly. The current page is highlighted using different style. That means blue background, so users can clearly see which page they are on. Okay. Then next, the current page is less than the total pages. Then the next button is shown. This allows users to move the forward while maintaining all active filters. Okay. Then in empty state section, this section displays an empty state message when no products match the selected filters in the advanced search system. It informs users that their search or filter combination did not return any results and encourages them to adjust their options. The Clear All Filters button allows users to reset the search and return to the main advanced search page, ensuring a smooth and user-friendly experience. Okay, then in features section, this section showcases the main benefits of Sketchup using a responsive grid and interactive design to improve user engagement and credibility. Okay, finally, in here, this function is used to control the filter sidebar in the advanced search system. It allows the sidebar to be shown or hidden, especially on mobile devices. When the user clicks the filters button, the function toggles the hidden and active classes to open or close the sidebar. So it also changes the page scrolling behavior by setting document.body.style.overflow to hidden when the sidebar is active, preventing background scrolling and improving the user experience. Okay, then here by using this this JavaScript code is used to manage the price range filter in the advanced product searching system. So it ensures that the range sliders and number entry fields stay synchronized with each other. Here this function connects the minimum and maximum price sliders with the numeric input fields. When the user changes either the slider or the number input, the values are updated automatically. So both inputs always show the same price range. It also includes a validation check to make sure the minimum price is not greater than maximum price. So if the values are reserved, the system automatically swaps them into maintain correct filtering logic. And then finally, this event ensures that price values are properly initialized when the page loads, keeping the filter consistent during advanced searching and pagination. Okay, then let's move to product searcher.php file. Okay, in here, this defines a class called product searcher to handle product searching logic, and then this declares a private property to store the user ID, and here this constructor method initialize the object and optionally set the user ID. And here this private method that builds the SQL where and having clauses based on user search filters. And here starts the where clause by selecting only active products, and this initialize variables to store SQL conditions, parameters, and their types for safe prepared statements. And here this section adds a search filter for product title or description using a prepared statement with wildcard matching. And here category filter, this filters products by a specific category using its ID. And here level filter, this filters products by difficulty level, that means beginner, intermediate, and advanced. In price range filter, this applies a minimum price filter to the products, and while this applies a maximum price filter to the products. And here rating filter section, this adds a rating filter using the having clause to handle average product ratings. And here this returns all generated SQL clauses and prepared statement parameters for executing the search query safely. Okay, then here in this section get total count for pagination. This get count function calculates the total number of products that match the selected search filters, which is required for implementing pagination. It builds a dynamic SQL query using filters, joins related tables like orders, feedback, user, and applies group by and having clauses to correctly calculate ratings. Finally, it executes the query that returns the total number of matching records to the system, can determine how many pages are needed. Okay. Then in this part, this SQL query is the main part of the advanced product search system, where products are retrieved with applied filters, sorting, and pagination. It selects all necessary product details, joins related tables to the get seller information, customer count, average rating, and review count. Finally, it applies the dynamic where having and order by clauses, and uses limit and or set to display only the correct set of products for the current page. And then here in this part handles executing the advanced product search query with pagination. It merges the filter and having parameters with the limit and offset values, and prepares the types string for binding, executes the query using the database helper, fetches all resulting products into an array, and finally it returns that array for displaying on the page. Okay, then in conclusion, I successfully developed an advanced product searching system with pagination. This system allows users to search skills efficiently, filter results using multiple criteria, navigate results using pagination, and find courses faster and more easily. So this significantly improves the usability and performance of the Skillshop platform. Okay, then thank you for watching and hope to see you in my next video.